Hi and welcome back to another video. Are you surprised to see me? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be my favorites video, my monthly favorites video. Of course, I do this every month and today's video will be my May favorites. This time I've kept it pretty short and sweet. Let's just get started. The first product that I'm going to be talking about is a tinted sunscreen. Now this is the first ever tinted sunscreen I've ever used, and this one is from Bioderma. This is the Bioderma Photodome Aqua Fluid. It has SPF 50. It is also suitable for sensitive skin. I love the micellar waters. I love the Bioderma Atodome, the thick cream. This tinted sunscreen is so good. I obviously apply it like how I apply my normal sunscreen. It's so beautiful. It obviously has very sheer coverage. It's almost na ke barabar, just melts into the skin. Glow that this gives, it obviously evens out the skin tone also a little bit. Of course, this does the job for me of a moisturizer, a sunscreen, and any kind of foundation or any kind of coverage that I need on my skin. Perfect for someone like me when most of the time I do not want coverage, and this is such a beautiful one. I think if I'm not wrong, the only shade that they have is Clear Light. Since it does not have a lot of coverage, this could work for light to medium skin tones, and I see myself using this a lot. Okay, the next product that I have with me is this body lotion. If you have been here for a while, you know how much I've spoken about this, how much I adore this scent and the body lotion in itself. This body lotion has the perfect blend of warm vanilla and caramel that will create the perfect gourmand fragrance for you, which is perfect for the summers. I've also mentioned this in my summer essentials because this has a very lightweight texture, but it's equally hydrating, moisturizing, and will give you that very nice glow on your body. And you know what? I also have a backup of this one. I love it. That's how much I love it. Can you guess what I got my hands on? Perfume. I was beyond excited when I finally got to try it. This is the Plum Body Loving's Eerie Perfume from the same range, and it smells amazing. It smells equally good as a body lotion. This perfume right here looks very luxe, as you can tell. This has notes of almond, pistachio, salted caramel, vanilla, sandalwood. This will last for the entire day. This particular range has been so viral on the internet. Let me break it down to you. It's worth every hype. Pairing this as a duo makes me smell so yummy and delicious, almost like a snack. I have my coupon code right here. You can use this to avail 15% off on plumgoodness.com. Alright, moving on. You might have seen this product so many times. This is the RHEAKL thermal water, and this is the first time I've ever used a thermal water. This one is 300 ml and I got it for around, I think, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. I got it from the Nykaa sale, and by the way, Nykaa haul coming soon. I wanted to do like a collective haul. It's coming soon. This one says it hydrates, it soothes, and it protects. The way this soothes my and calms my skin down. If you have sensitive skin, if you have irritated skin, if you have dry skin, normal skin, any skin type for that matter, this one is so beautiful, especially for the summers. It's like a splash of water and it feels so refreshing, so calming. I think I use this at least 5 to 6 times in a day, not even kidding. You can call it as a face mist, you can call it as a toner. Also get a smaller one in this if you want to try it out, but quantity ke hisab se I think this one is a better option to go for because there is not much price difference between this one and the smaller one, and I've been obsessed with this. I have one last skincare product in today's video. It is this toner. I'm from Rice Toner. I think I've shown this in my Korean skincare routine video, and this one is so good. I don't want to talk too much about my obsession with toners. This is such a beautiful milky toner. If you're looking for a milky toner which is not too heavy, it's very lightweight, it's very watery. Whenever I apply it into my skin, you can see right here how beautiful my skin looks, how healthy it gives me, that healthy glow. I live for it. Let's talk about this lip liner which I got finally after being out of stock forever ages. This is the Swiss Beauty Edge of Desire. This is the shade Choco Butter. You know how overprotectively weirdly obsessed I'm with my Swiss Beauty lip liner, and I have like backups and backups of this. And one of you, if you are watching, was so sweet enough to send me a DM on Instagram from Swiss Beauty. Said ka jo hai, this is Mars. The weirdo person that I am, I still see 19-20 ka fark, what we call it, so close. And you know what the best part about this lip liner is that it is buttery smooth. Swiss Beauty ones, I will agree, it's a little bit drying and thoda sa you have to drag it a little bit. If I get the same shade in a better formula, then why not? The shade is exactly how I wanted it. I have to stock up on this. Okay, I think I have the last two products, and these are just random things that I wanted to share. Basically silly things I buy from Amazon sort of, but look at this. This is a sun catcher, cute and tiny, and So I believe that this is something that is for good luck and prosperity. I just hang it on my window ceiling, right where the sun hits. It's unreal. Your whole room is gonna look so beautifully lit, you know. I can't explain it. I'm just gonna insert a clip over here. Okay, this is too cute. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're still watching, please leave this emoji in the comments. I love reading and hearting your comments. Thank you so much for watching and love you so much. All the product links will be in the description box. I love you so much and I'll see you in my next video.